Hello and mabuhay! I'm Odessa. I'm here to show you today how to make the famous merienda or Filipino snack empanada. Empanada is a great snack for all occasions, especially now that Christmas is coming. Now I'm going to show you how we do our own homemade empanada. First, we're going to make a dough. We need flour, butter, sugar, and some salt. So we'll put in the sugar, salt, then the butter. We need to have a dough cutter. We have to break the butter until it's crushed and mixed with the flour. If you have a good dough, your empanada bread will stay crispy for longer period of time. How you make your dough is important also. It's just not the bread or the filling. It has to complement each other. Now, we'll put in the water. You need a cup, and the water should be cold. That's one of the secret. If it's cold, when you fry it, it will be more crispier. We have to add water, around 1/3 cup. Just takes patience when doing the dough. Once you're done with the dough, we need to wrap it in a cling film and put it in the freezer for 30 minutes. Now we're going to start doing our empanada filling. Once you heat the pan, just add a little bit of oil. First, we put in our garlic, then the onion, then saute for a minute or two. Then next is the chicken. It's chicken breast. Boil the chicken breast, then you have to shred it. Then you put some pepper, then soy sauce, then oyster sauce. Now, you can add the potatoes and the carrot. Let it simmer until the carrots and the potato are cooked. Should be like half cooked. Then we can add the raisins. So let's just leave this for about 2 minutes because we don't need the raisins to be cooked that much. So once your empanada filling is cooked, we'll just set it aside and let it cool before we wrap it in the dough. After 30 minutes, your dough is ready. So we'll just use a rolling pin. Then we have to flatten the dough. Then you just have to have this cookie cutter. You make, small circles. So now we're going to put in the filling. So using rolling pin, just spread the dough, put the cheese, and a spoonful of your empanada filling. Just have to fold the dough. Then just push the sides, then fold. There. Then using a fork, just flatten the sides just to make sure that your empanada will not open when you put it in the fryer. You can fry it for 5 minutes or until it's golden brown. It takes a little bit of patience to make a good home-cooked meal. Try our chicken empanada.